Okay, so yeah, up top left. Why? It's like Logitech wants to access your account with Discord. This will allow Logitech to access your username and avatar. And
wait, can you
trace with Discord? And then it's like
don't download it.
Repeat, 2 Scarab. I count 2 Scarab. Repeat, 2 Scarab.
Which I guess an argument could be made for.
I count 2 Scarab. Repeat, 2 Scarab.
See, but if I was to pay, yeah, there's no reason I would get it on PlayStation. Because it's like what?
I've done it a third
$12?
time!
Oh no, it's $6.
Yeah, like, it's not only easy for me.
2 Scarab. Repeat,
Yeah.
4 times! Ah! I'm gonna have like
Maybe
12
try doing
clips.
something different.
I'm gonna. Oh no, but this is the quick way to do it. And I'm impatient because I've already done this level. And then MCC was like, "What's that? You actually haven't completed the level. You got it."
This is why you should have done a playlist.
2 Scarab.
Oh my goodness! What? How am I doing this so consistently now? Shotgun.
Repeat, 2 Scarab.
I count 2 enemy scarabs. Repeat, 2 scarabs. And then I go 1, 2, 3. I get launched across the map because, well, you would, wouldn't you?
I count 2 Scarab. Repeat, 2 Scarab.
How? How do I launch myself across the map every single time?
First Scarab's down. All units, concentrate your fire on number 2.
What?